So Spotify has 345 million active users and was launched in 2008, but what if it was launched in 1975 instead? Here is the problem. I want to buy a Spotify account and be a premium member, but I spent all my money buying my seasonal pass, so the only logical way to get it is making my own version of Spotify, and I am gonna do it in a day because I like to suffer. So the first step in making a Spotify is boxes. Well, because everything is a box, you are a box, I am a box, everyone is a box. I started to make some boxes with Python, but then I remembered I am not that good with GUI. Now, being the big brain that I am, I actually went ahead and made it in CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface, those things that were in grandfather computers. Yeah, those. I started by making a box with text written in it. Now it needs some animation with style. Make it cool, kids. The second step to making your own Spotify of 1975 is to have a pretty logo. I guess this works. So now I will slap up a basic GUI in CLI, and I am in luck because I am really good at making UI in CLI, and what do you know, it was really easy to make. Oh god, I wanna die. Now I wanna get the key press data. Okay, did some work. Now let's see when we press Y. Now the third step in making a Spotify of the year 1975 is playing music, but here is another problem. Internet was not publicly available in 1975, so I am gonna make it play music on the computer. This is totally because there was no internet and not because I don't know how. I used Pygame to play sounds and it was just 2 lines of code. Now let me throw a welcome screen with a logo and animation and also some commands for the user. Well, now you have my own Spotify from the year 1975. You can select music, play, pause, loop forever, and also randomly play any music. So now here is a demo and story of one of our valued customers.
I was bullied in class because I didn't have Spotify, but because of Spotify in 1975, I have become the coolest kid in my class.
Bruh.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
If you like the project, the Git link is below. Smash like, else I smash you. Adios.